Talofa o Lo'ingo o Leata o Te Samoa o Si Umusatawa.
I think we've got a really talented bunch of girls and we're looking forward to taking the field with them. Yeah, just like no matter what the result, I know our son will be proud.
Hi, my name is Dejan Brown and I'm from Lefange in Sakawa. I'm playing for Samoa because I love the culture and I feel like being Pahalangi and Samoan, this is the only way I can give back to my culture. The girls here are so cool, makes me so proud to be Samoan and yeah.
Talofalava o Lo'ingo Wallace Sititi o Te Samoa Alafua, Lakopa, Protasi, Safako Lefango. Just being in this team is something special just by being Samoan. Having that in our DNA, having that in our bloodline.
My name is Tomasi Alosio. I come from the villages of Levi, Salaimoa and Falefa. I'm here with the Samoan Barbarian Secondary Schools team as assistant coach to Charles Aliva and also along with Toninen Shu.
Success!